So with my nephew Will, today on the video, it's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna be taking this 100cc two-stroke that I picked up, bought a whole bunch of stuff on Amazon, and we're gonna be making some modifications, some horns on it, some lights on it, and just upgrading a few things, and maybe throw some projectmoto colors on it, get some green on it, get some green on it, some green on it. It's gonna be pretty fun. What's up, all you wonderful people?
The worst motorcycle ever made.
Alicia in the chat. Appreciate
everyone in line.
Here we go.
Oh! There you go.
All right. I'll be throwing a couple of these lights on it. Got some ridiculously loud horns, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna try to see if we can scare a few pedestrians with them. Got some sweet green spoke covers for the wheels. Got some new grips. A pad. Let's see what else we got. Oh, since we're adding all the stuff, because this bike doesn't have lights currently, I had to buy new controls. So I think we're gonna figure out how we can get all these working. So the ones I picked out, we got the kill, and we got the lights on off, and I think a start switch right here. So I think probably what we'll end up doing, oh, we actually got a horn switch here too. So the start switch obviously won't be, this isn't an electric start bike, so we won't be using that. Probably just use this right switch, so it's got the kill switch on it. It's got an electric start, which won't be used, so I might wire that into the horn. And it's got a parking light switch here, so I might just use that. So I just might use that for the headlights and stuff. And so we'll just probably end up using this right-hand control. Yeah, because this left side's got a choke on it. A bunch of stuff we won't be using, so I'll have to modify it a little bit, but I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna have to make a bracket on the headlight area to hold the headlights and the horns, all that stuff. The cool thing about it is for this project, I'm not gonna be getting into the bike wiring whatsoever. So I'm gonna try to, I bought this cheap 12 volt drill off Amazon, and basically I'm gonna be using the guts of this to power all the modifications that we're gonna be doing. So it should be pretty cool. We'll be taking off this front, and this is, I'll have to make a bracket to hold the headlights. Since the whole thing is gonna be made off to run off the drill, I'm gonna cut this and probably make a mount to hold the battery. So keep this bottom section, and then I'm probably gonna tuck that up right under here somewhere and make a mount for that. So you can just click the battery in and then pop it off and put it on the charger when you're not using it. The first thing that we're gonna have to do is get everything wired up. So make sure the theory of all the electronics and stuff is gonna work, and then we'll get making the brackets and that stuff. Woo! So that's gonna be awesome. We're definitely gonna see if we can scare some pedestrians and get them on video looking like fools. This should be fun. All right, so the first thing Will and I are gonna do is figure out our power source. So we're gonna pull this drill apart. This drill was only like, if I remember right, it was like $35 or something on Amazon. So something, fun little project, cheap, that just about anybody can do. So looks like there's 2 positives and a negative. So we should be able to just tie those 2 positives together, and then the negative, and I can cut this drill handle right here, and keeping these 4 screw holes to hold the handle together so the battery can still be held, and then probably mount a metal plate in between them so it so I have something to mount to the bike. So I'm gonna cut these wires right here. That and like that. There we go. I'll put these wires out the side. Put a couple screws back in it. Good work here. Woo! Yep. All right. That works. So now we'll get our lights. These look pretty sweet. Let's check our switch to find out which wires go to what, and we'll get this wired up. I guess, like, I don't know what color you want to call that. It's for the kill switch. The lights down here look like they're going to be the yellows, or some combination of the yellow and red. I'm guessing the two yellows. We can probably use those to trigger our lights. And then our horn, which is a start button on here, but we're going to use it as the horn. That looks like pink and green. Yellows. It's going to be our lights. Green and pink. Where does that pink wire go? Disappear in here somewhere? And there it is. So there's the splice. So it turns into a black, pink. That's off. See what it does in the middle. So that is halo. And I'm hoping all the way over is, yep, perfect. And that should be it. So we got off, nothing. Horn still works. We got the halo light. Horn still works. And then we got the bright light. Horn still works. Sweet. All off of a little drill battery. Nice. Now I'm gonna make the mounts, and then I'll actually be able to do the wiring and finish it up. Get everything soldered and good to go. So now that I got the wiring figured out, what I gotta do is figure out how I'm gonna mount all that stuff on here. So I'll get this off, mock something up, see what I can come up with. So weld that up, clean it up, paint it, and should be good to go. leave a comment, leave a like, hit the bell, subscribe, follow us on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. I appreciate everyone for watching the video, and we'll see you soon.